Boss, nakared. Red.
Kala ko kalma.
Papasok siya guys ha. I-ano natin siya ha.
I-giveaway. O yung vlog ko pa yung papaanoan ko.
Guys ha, bigyan natin siya ng chance na makapasok ha.
Ayan, pasok na. Pasok na dito. Congratulations!
Can he go inside the newsroom? Since people in the newsroom would like him to go inside first. Thank you, Mama Cynthia. Guys, can you be moved? Can you be moved?
These are the people, right?
Salamat po.
Katrina.
Yeah,
Pwede. Ayan. Bagong newsroom.
from here, ma'am.
Nakaready na yung buwan.
Dito na lang para hindi magulo.
JP.
Thank you,
Hindi
Kanon.
magpipicture kasama yung singap.
Urong kayo para makapasok siya, guys. Urong kayo doon para makapasok siya.
Atras kayo lahat, magpipicture sila, lahat naka .5.
Oh,
Kayo lahat.
Dito
Lahat
kayo.
ng staff doon.
Grace, urong kayo doon. Sabay dito nandito.
Para ganun po siya.
Anong here, ma'am?
Ah, wait.
Photo with them.
Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Dito tayo lahat salita, guys. Para lahat kita. Hana.
Here, ma'am. Group photo with the background. Guys, baka hindi kayo lucky.
Lucky guys. 1, 2, 3.